Sometimes we want a different look altogether, and we want some hair down and some hair up. So this is what we're going to do here. We're going to divide the hair in half, leaving some completely down, where you can do anything to this hair in the bottom. Okay, just going to take it all the way around like this. Simply placing this down. You can give her some kind of side look if you want right here, bringing it down to the side, or maybe even leaving the hair down like that if you like. Okay, but we're going to take hers up. Okay, I'm going to take another headband here, placing it in the middle. And if I want to add a little bit of curl on this piece, I can go ahead and do so. I'm going to take my curling iron again like I did before and add curls to her hair to create a whole different look altogether. Okay, I want this maybe curly here and have it straight on the bottom, which can be done, you know. Just have curls hang completely straight down. Her hair, again, twirling it around like this and curling it.